What is up, guys? I hope you're doing okay, and welcome to another tutorial. So in this tutorial we're gonna talk about one of add-ons which I use like 4 years now. But this add-ons is basically shows what you pressing in keyboard and also your mouse as well. So let's check these add-ons and let's see how to download it. So this add-ons is made by JNam, which is a great guys. Which I think he's also doing some tutorial on YouTube. You can go and check him. So after we go to GitHub, we go to this green button here and we press download zip. So I already downloaded it, and you can also read the README file for more information if you want. And yeah, I already downloaded it, so you just click download for now, and let's go back to Blender. So after we download our add-ons, we should now install it, and here is how you install actually most of add-ons. You just go to preferences and you click install, and you select your add-ons which we just download. After that, it should be show you for here, but if it doesn't, you just search it, and then we select our add-ons, as you can see here with the author names and the author and the name of add-ons. After this, we just click save preferences. So as you can see now, it doesn't show anything even if I press the keyboard and mouse. So we need to activate this add-ons actually to be shown. So you press N to open this option here. So you should have maybe less than add-ons than me. So basically you should search for this shortcut, and it should be start like this, and you click start. So basically it's here in left, but it can be show you in right. So how you can change this, you can put it in right if you want, or maybe in center, but for me I prefer to put it in left. And also you can change the color if you want. So yeah, but for me I will keep it as it is. It's a little bit cool. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get a little bit of information here, and maybe subscribe, maybe comment. Yeah, see you.